This video is all about two trail hikes that I took in the HOH Rainforest. That's H-O-H Rainforest, located in the central part of Olympia National Park, coming up right after this brief introduction. After my two-night stay at the Fairholme Campground, located on the west side of Lake Crescent, my next adventure was going to be the HOH, or HOH Rainforest. This is located in central part of the Olympia National Park, and according to MapQuest, it's stated about 1 hour away. However, since I'm retired and have all the free time in the world, and I do like to explore, that meant about a 4-hour trip for me. Now, along Highway 101, near the town of Sappo, S-A-P-P-H-O, I made a turn on Highway 113 to check out the northwest coast to Callaham Bay. That's C-L-A-L-L-A-M Bay. It was approximately about a 40-mile trip, round-trip adventure, as the following images to music will allow you to come along with me and enjoy that brief trip. After seeing the Northwest Bay area, it was on to the HOH Rainforest. Yes, it's pronounced HOH. The road that's coming off of Highway 101 to the campground and trails is approximately 18 miles long off of Highway 101. Now, this rainforest records on an average of 12 feet, that's feet, or 144 inches of water every year. To put that in perspective, the city of Seattle gets only 138 inches of rain on an annual basis. The HOH Rainforest is one of the few remaining temperate rainforests in the United States. It is home to the Roosevelt elk, massive conifers, and over 130 species of mosses, lichens, and ferns. Hold the presses! Hold the presses! I made a big error. I said 138 inches in the city of Seattle. Boy, they don't get that much rain. They get 38 inches of rain annually compared to the rainforest at 144. So I don't want to offend all those people that live in the city of Seattle. They get enough grief. It's 38 inches compared to 144. All right? Now, this next portion of the video is going to be on two trails. The first trail is going to be a haul of mosses, and it's only about a mile distance round trip, which is pretty small distance-wise. Now, I kept reading it, and I said at the Hall of Moses. And I said, why do they call this place the Hall of Moses? And I walked around, and I said, well, why do they call it the Hall of Moses? Well, it's actually the Hall of, I read it wrong. It's the Hall of Mosses. All right? That makes more sense. All right, the second one, which will certainly be longer, is going to be the River Trail. It's 18 miles in distance from start to finish. If you do that's just one way. If you did it, now obviously I didn't go that far. I went about 10 miles total, or 5 miles in and 5 miles back. And make sure you watch to the very end, as I did get I kind of got off the trail a little bit and got some unique images. So these will be to music. Enjoy. As you watch the photos of my hikes, I experienced no rain. However, if you are going to visit the HOH Rainforest, you may not be as fortunate. Therefore, having the proper attire and shoes is critical for a fun and safe experience. There is going to be mud and water puddles on the trail. In addition, as you saw, there are many roots and rocks along the path. I would not recommend wearing sandals or flip-flops. I would like to thank you for watching this video, which is number 3 of 7 total videos of the adventures at the Olympic National Park. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you don't want to miss my next video of Ruby Beach and the 4 beaches south of Ruby Beach off of Highway 101, please subscribe to my channel and journey on.